nitty-gritties of what is this REIT and what is InvIT, and what is this financialization of hard assets that is happening, and is there an opportunity over here, and how this opportunity can be captured between investors and the fund managers, and as well as the partners, the distributors who can promote this or look at it as a part of asset allocation. So let me give you some background that what is happening in the savings pool of the country. So for example, this is the annual gross savings of a household. So annually, let's say 100 rupee of saving that is happening in households, 50 to 53% of it is going into a real estate. So what basically it means is bulk of it is purely buying a house basically. So most of the savings today, 50% of it is going towards property, and 80% of that could be towards housing, which is the typical thing. It's a good thing that everyone is building an asset, but 10 to 20% of that could be an investment purpose. So many people also seek some appreciation in real estate or income from real estate, and that is why they make that investment in property. And that has been very consistent. So India's affinity towards this asset class has been phenomenal, and it is happening largely in a physical form. So they are going and actually buying the property, doing all those hassle of registering it, and doing all those things physically. But one thing is changing in the background, which you and I, all of us know, that more and more money is getting converted into a more financial forms. So for example, people are moving out of small savings, they're moving out of normal fixed deposits, and they are channeling all those savings into more financial products, which is life insurance, which you can say mutual fund, which you can say even direct stocks. So for example, this is a chart from say FY22 to 25. So this data comes with a lag, but this data is for 25. You see that mutual fund. So let's focus on just this purple line. Now this is the annual savings. Out of the annual savings, 6.2% of the annual savings is going into mutual funds in FY22. But in FY25, that number has moved all the way to 13%. So what it tells you is that more and more money is going into the financial assets.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.